Hey friends, today we are draping this saree over this top and the pants. So let's get started. We are going to take the edge of the saree, the palla portion, start making very neat and sleek pleats. See the way I am making the pleats. We are going to keep on throwing this material over our shoulder. So we are going to throw this material till palla touches the earth. Then we are going to take the pin and pin our shoulder part. Take the edge of the saree and start making pleats like this. And we are going to tuck this in the middle. We are going to secure this part with the pin. We are going to take this part and make a cowl like this. We are going to make a big cowl, not a small cowl. And tuck it here. Now we are going to take this whole part together, like this double part together, and start making box pleats. We are going to take the edge of the saree